and welcome to our video presentation. Today, we're going to be talking about the wonderful and wide world of cloud computing. Let's take a walk. Now, you're probably wondering, what is cloud computing? And why should I care about it? Well, let me tell you, cloud computing is the ability to access data on a remote server, and you can access it anywhere with an internet connection. To help you understand, let's go back to the beginning of the history of cloud computing.
The concept of cloud computing goes all the way back to 1962, when this guy, Joseph Carl Robnet Licklider, first had the idea of a global computer network.
Hello, I'm Joseph Carl Robnet Licklider, one of the most prominent computer scientists of my day. With my work on the ARPANET, I came up with the idea of the Intergalactic Computer Network.
And while the name Intergalactic Computer Network didn't stick, it became the foundation of our modern-day internet.
By the 1990s, several advancements had been made in computing technology, allowing for multiple computers to work together to complete a multitude of tasks.
The idea of grid computing and the rise of PCs utilized Licklider's idea of an interconnected computer network. But it wasn't quite as scalable or as flexible as the computers we have today.
Now, in modern times, cloud computing is used practically everywhere. In our schools, offices, personal computers, and phones. Basically anywhere that there is a computer, cloud computing comes into play. This includes military operations, laboratories, and even hospitals.
If you have a Google account, you have definitely used cloud computing. Through Google Drive, you save your files to a remote server hosted by Google, and then you can access them anywhere with an internet connection on your phone, tablet, or laptop.
Video and music streaming websites can hold your data of your videos, playlists, and preferences, which you can retrieve from just about any device.
And social media companies store your data, pictures, and other information on their remote servers, which they definitely don't sell to advertising companies for a quick buck, except for the fact that they absolutely do. Cloud computing has many benefits. First of all, it's typically cheaper, as you only have to pay for the services you use, and you don't have to pay to maintain those clunky servers yourself.
It's also a lot more flexible than other computing methods. It's easy to scale up or down, as well as it's easy to access and easy to manage.
It's also generally safer, as it has better data encryption and better access controls. Along with this, your data is better protected from damage than on a physical server.
Cloud computing is a diverse and widespread concept that can be found all around us and makes up an industry of over $50 billion worldwide and is only expected to get larger.
From the early ideas of an intergalactic computer network to today's modern cloud computing. We hope you enjoyed this walk through computer science history. Now, next time you open an assignment, watch YouTube videos, stream music, or access Google Drive. Remember that you are accessing a worldwide network that utilizes cloud computing.
Cloud computing has many benefits, Ralph. First had the idea of an...
That was still a little fast for me. Wow. Slow that down. Which you can retrieve. Wait, Quinn, do you want to move a little?
I love you! Wait. For $50 billion worldwide.
To today's modern cloud.
Okay, without the lip bite. With my work on the ARPANET, I came up with the idea.
Oh wait, I accidentally zoomed in.
Cloud computing is a diverse and widespread concept that can...
Try that again.
I don't know what to do. There's a skateboard in the back.
What if we stack the couches?
Maybe I'll just go first.